me, Megs, and I want to welcome y'all to my new home. I am a new homeowner, so I know I said I wasn't going to do this, but I'm excited and I wanted to share with you guys my new home. So let's go ahead and get started with the tour. This is an empty house tour. Okay, so this is the dining area, or what they call kind of like the flex space. So I am gonna make this area into like my dining room. So I'm really excited to start decorating this. Feel free to comment below your ideas of what I can do with this space as far as the dining room. So it's super cute. And you know, this was very last minute to do this tour because I was not going to do a house tour. So I'm filming this on my phone, so I apologize if it's a little dark. So this house is open concept. So this is the living space area. And of course, this is the wall that I will put my TV on. So I'm gonna definitely do a sectional right here and put probably a cute chandelier right there too. And this is my kitchen. This is probably my favorite part of the house. Super duper cute. I love the island here where I can put some seats, some bar stools, and things like that. And I absolutely love the splash. I picked out the splash and all of that good stuff. So I literally just got my keys, so I have to get my refrigerator still, okay? And this is my powder room. So I have the same floor going through the whole downstairs. I definitely want to redo this mirror. I just feel like I want something a little cuter right there. And this is what, a pedestal sink or vanity sink. So yeah, that's that. And what I really love about this space is that there's so much light, even though this video may be appearing a little dark, but it's so light in here. So I'm really excited to like start filming things in here. There's so much light. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs. And I really love that everything is a hue of gray. I absolutely love gray homes. And a lot of my inspiration for this house that I have is, you know, gray decor and metallics and things like that. So eventually I definitely want to put those cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. I want to put something like that and then change my cabinets, a few of them, to like the glass, you know, the glass fronts. And I really love that the island has cabinetry. And yeah, definitely gotta get a refrigerator. And what's different too about this house, there's like no pantry. This is the pantry here. So there is a pantry, but it's not like, you know, the pantry that you would think that would normally be kind of like right here. So this is like a closet that you would, you know, put your cleaning supplies. I'm gonna put my trash can in here because I don't like exposed trash can. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs. This carpet is kind of light. So we're coming upstairs, and this is one of my bedrooms here, and I'm thinking this might be my either guest bedroom or my office. Now this room is kind of small, but it's perfect because no one's gonna really be in here. Okay, so this is upstairs, and this is the guest bathroom. And this is another bedroom. This most likely will be either a guest bedroom or an office. And this room I'm thinking to have as my glam room. I want to put kind of like some storage all on this wall. I want to make this kind of like a closet room and a glam room to put like all my things in here. So I'm really excited about that. It's a nice size. And this here is the laundry room. So I still have to obviously get my washer and dryer put in. And this is the master bedroom. I already have the theme picked out for this room. I'm thinking my colors will be gray, black, and white. So I'm so excited about that. And I'm definitely gonna get rid of the ceiling fan because it doesn't match anything. I want to put like a cute chandelier. And this is a master bathroom. So there's double sinks, but it's just me, so yeah, I'm just gonna be using one sink, and that's that. And this little space, I guess I can put like a little storage thing to match the cabinets. So I can put like my toilet tissue and things like that because you know, it's just me. And if I'm using the bathroom and I need to get some tissue, I can just run over here and grab it. So yeah. So this is the shower. So everything in this house is new. This is a brand new house. No one else has lived in it. And it's exciting. And I love the lighting everywhere. And this is the closet. I'm definitely gonna get a quote from California Closets to see what they can do as far as like creating some shelving and getting things more organized as far as how I want them as far as the shelving, because I want the shelves to go all the way up to the ceiling. The shelves and like, you know, the rod things and stuff like that. So that's there. So this is my garage. It's a 2-car garage, so I'm really excited about having this extra space to store things because the apartment that I was in, it just didn't have any kind of space for anything. So super excited about that. This is the backyard. It's a lot more yard than I thought I would have, which is fine because now it allows me to be more creative with what I want to do and put back here. So I'm really excited. Okay, y'all, so that is my house tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it wasn't too dark because I wasn't gonna do a house tour at first, but I decided to at the last minute on my iPhone. So hopefully it looks okay. I will be doing more vlogs when it comes to this house as far as decorating and any little updates, me being a first-time homeowner. So yeah, that is about it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.